Да, держите.
Вы не против, если я снимаю?
Она гранатовое чистое домашнее вино, не завод.
Сами делали?
Да, это самое. Сейчас будете вы вкус мне скажите.
Сами делали?
Конечно.
А вы сами выращиваете гранат?
Не, я покупаю и делаю.
Ого, как пахнет вкусно.
Попробуйте, вкус мне скажите, пожалуйста. Не спешите.
Это самое вкусное
Дайте
вино.
вот он тоже попробует. Попробуйте. Это 2 литра.
Ой, это очень вкусно.
Я
Очень
буду
вкусно.
обманывать.
Спасибо большое. Всего доброго.
Вечер в стрессе.
Вам тоже. До свидания. До свидания.
This guy was offering us to buy his wine. It's like 2 liters for 9,000 dram, which is...
Like £12?
It's not very expensive for 2 liters and it's homemade really good wine, but what do we do with 2 liters?
Drink it all tonight.
That's what he was saying, just drink it.
Sounds like a good night. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
One thing to note, as soon as you get in the village, the nice tarmacked road finishes straight away. So it all looks good for the tourists that go to the monastery in the cable car. But here in the village it's a different story. Wow.
Hasmik!
Шутка. Хочу вам сюда скинуть.
Спасибо большое, до свидания.
Спасибо. До свидания.
Она моя жена.
А, ваша жена. Приятно познакомиться. Меня Мат зовут.
Да. Заходите.
После вас.
Здрасте.
Спасибо.
Здрасте.
Здравствуйте.
Куда хотите или какой комнате хотите?
Отлично.
Спасибо большое.
So we found the guest house. They are so lovely. And now we're just eating a couple of squash sandwiches that we were going to eat on the marshutka, but we were a bit scared we were going to throw up because it was a bit bumpy.
They just brought us out some coffee, cherries, some sweets and biscuits. Обожаю цветы.
Это малиновый. Это яблони, это из деревьев.
О, как вкусно. Это яблоня?
Да, яблони.
Какой яблони?
Эти деревья.
А вот эти, да?
Да, яблони.
Вот видно, Мария.
Вот это.
Здрасте.
Здрасте. Надо возвращаться к сентябрю.
Да, в сентябре вернусь.
Да.
Ого, вы тут траву сушите?
Да.
Да.
У кого рост надо
Ну, ой, почти.
Eric was telling us that they have another garden where they grow a lot more. They also have cows and chickens, beehives, and they have very big plans to expand their house. He also told us that he retired only 2 months ago. He used to work as a telecom engineer. А у вас в Армении пенсии нормальные или нет?
Нет. Скажем так. В России сколько получают?
О, зависит от человека. 10-8 тысяч.
В рублей это получается.
А у меня, вот я получаю 54.
54 тысячи.
Драм.
4 тысячи, это будет 7 или
Да, 7,5-8 тысяч.
в россиянам. Боюсь до сих пор работать.
Life in the village is not very easy. Edik went on to say that it was a lot better during the USSR because there were factories and everyone had work, no one was jobless.
150 людей. Работал.
А это который мы смотрели на ту сторону.
Да. Это трог.
They grow grapes, pears, apples, peaches, plums, and out of all of it, Edik makes alcohol.
Из сливы, из яблоки, из груши, из винограда. Да, все есть записано.
Какой у вас самый любимый?
Для меня нет разницы. Хотя бы чтоб не закончилось. Всегда было.
Если алкоголичный, все нормально.
Всегда бы была.
Да.
Это парная система с насосом. А то на зиму это...
We just gone for a walk around the village.
So Edik was telling us that everyone here in the village near enough knows each other. He's lived here all his life and they all help each other out here and there. All the stuff that they grow in their house and garden they use for themselves, but then they often have a lot left over, so they also sell it down in the markets nearby too. Здрасте. Anyone for a game of football?
There is a local school.
Oh yeah. Здрасте, здрасте.
Здрасте.
Спасибо. Спасибо большое.
Это лаванда, это валериана.
Валерьян? О,
Ага.
я ни разу не видела
Да. Это приправа орегано.
Ага.
Ну, это зверобой.
Это зверобой. А чебрец? это-
Чебрец.
Чебрец он самый вкусный в чае.
Конечно.
Обожаю.
Хорошо.
Спасибо. Same sit down.
Ага, хватит. Спасибо.
Ага. Бери.
Спасибо большое.
Поехали.
Ну, там, это абрикосы.
На здоровье. Это из винограда чача?
Да. Из винограда Изабелла.
Это наш виноград.
Ну,
Ваш
там
виноград?
62, 63.
We were just walking in the street and we met Artyom, and then we continued filming, and as we walked back he was standing outside the house with his wife. He invited us in. He was like, "We've got a museum, come and have a look." And now they've invited us in for tea and jam, and we tried the cha-cha. So nice.
Какая роза здесь?
Я тоже такую хочу. Прости. Вот это обалдеть. Приедем. До свидания.
До свидания.
Всего доброго. Спасибо большое.
Всего доброго.
До свидания.
They were the nicest people ever. So we're going back to the guest house now because we've got dinner in a bit, and also Julia's got an exciting event that she's been looking forward to all afternoon, so got to get back. Rest.
So my fun event was put on hold. I was told that I need strength for it and we need to have some dinner first. And look at this feast. And they've given us some homemade wine as well and homemade juice, and there's just so much food.
Right, so we were just saying there was loads, and then they just brought out some soup as well. And we were like, "Is that it?" They were like, "No, there's still some fried vegetables to come as well."
I
don't
think I've seen that much food at once.
It's game on. Game on. I'm ready. The soup's amazing. It's like slightly sour and really meaty broth. It is so good.
Одного уже закончили, это второй. Ага, чтобы вы
That's
знали.
actually a bit easier
Кто
than I
доит,
thought
да?
it's
Чтобы
going
вы
to
знали,
be.
кто доит.
Да, да. Что она не обманывает, да?
Да, отлично. Станешь это...
I should really do it with both hands, but I'm really scared to drop the bucket, so... А сколько вашей жене занимает по времени выдать корову?
Минут 5. Да,
Целое ведро?
да, конечно.
Целое ведро?
Да, побыстрее надо. Да.
Чуть-чуть побыстрее. До свидания.
Потом налево.
Спасибо большое.
Every good evening in the Armenian village finishes with a good game of Uno. I mean, this is essential.
We're cultured. That's what we do.
By the way, everything that you see on the table is homemade and grown in this garden. We just had some breakfast, sat down for a bit. It's about 11, so we're gonna go back into the village and head down.
До свидания. So we popped into the village cafe for a drink because the marshrutka doesn't go for another 4.5 hours. So got a bit of time to kill.
We're just getting a cable car back down.
Спасибо. So we've just had the world's worst sandwich on the other side of the cable car, and we paid through the nose for it as well. So we're going to start walking back towards the crossroads where hopefully we can get the marshrutka from. And if it gets a little bit late, then we'll try and flag a lift down. But let's see. So we're waiting at the side of the road now for the marshrutka. We ended up getting a taxi from the little village to the crossroads here. No one really wanted to stop and give us a lift. Even for money, no one seemed to want to give us a lift. But there you go. So yeah, we're waiting at the side of the road now, and the marshrutka is coming from that direction towards Yerevan. So yeah. Got our own little roadside disco going on. To get there, we need to get on the world's longest cable car.
Ooh!
Impressive.
I'm drunk.
So we were just walking in the street, and we met.
Right, my fun event.
That's going in the video, right?
Of course it is. By the way,